Good morning.
Good morning.
We are on our way to our overnight backpacking adventure that I think we have packed way too much for. I mean, if it tells you anything, Jake packed like 2 beers. 2? Only 2?
I could have bit more.
So we'll see how that goes. We're here, we're doing this. Oh my God, are we gonna survive? So we're 3.18 kilometers in, and there's already quite a bit of snow. Uh-oh. Oh, but then it clears up a little bit after there. So I think we won't put on our spikes just yet.
This is just a tiny bit shaded.
Barrier Lake. We're very close. Whew. And voila. Our tent is up. I'm exhausted.
Ready for bed.
Yeah. I'm like so hungry, but so tired that I just want to lie down right now. I don't even want to. I don't want to eat, but I do. 4+ hours later, we have awoken from our really gratifying naps, and the weather isn't what we had hoped it was going to be. It's getting nicer. You can see blue, right? But like for the whole time that we were napping, no blue at all. It was just gray. It's been this light snow, and that is where we wanted to hike, but it's cloudy, as you can see, and like, what's the point of us going up there and seeing nothing? So I think we will be doing that tomorrow morning. Not I think, we will be. I mean, I think. And now we just want to make some tea before we just go for some sort of light hike in this area.
Oh, Pete, are you okay? Holy.
There's like a tree. Oh, this branch went in there. Oh. That's why you get snowshoes, kids. So, Jake wanted to be Mr. Eco-friendly and doesn't like, you know, one-use dehydrated meals with the plastic that it's super convenient because you get to just like boil your water. Well, look how hot that gets, how red. Do we turn it down?
Yeah, I guess so. There you go.
Jeez. Anyway, our fire is hot. But yeah, the dehydrated meals are super convenient. You can just like boil water, throw it in the bag, let your food hydrate, and then enjoy it. But
It's too easy.
Jake didn't want to, and so we made this big batch of orzo pasta with some basic classico sauce and meatballs that we're gonna reheat. But this weighed a shit ton, so I don't know if we're gonna be doing this again in the future. But it will be delicious.
Good morning. We slept last night. It is Sunday, May 8th. It's Mother's Day, so hopefully I can call my mom later when I have cell service. And it's kind of chilly in the night. I don't have the most amazing sleeping pad, so I wonder if Jake had it better. But let's take a look at what it looks outside.
The water that we filtered last night, I don't know if you can see, like some of it froze, and literally they look like humongous snowflakes. It's so beautiful. Here's a disclaimer that everything isn't always so happy-go-lucky and unicorns and rainbows and daisies. I'm kind of pissed because my shoes are soaked. I feel like I just ran through a puddle and my socks are like squishy. We're like swimming through snow right now because it's so soft and we just keep falling through it. And we still have like 3 kilometers to go until we're back at camp. How lovely.